Hello and welcome to Blue Monkey Languages. In today's lesson, we will learn how to tell the time in English. We are going to begin by looking at the clock. We have the hour hand and the minute hand. Let's see the difference between those two hands. Let's start with the hour hand. It's 12 o'clock. Here, we can also say it's midday when it's daytime, or we can say midnight when it's nighttime. It's 1 o'clock. It's 2 o'clock. It's 3 o'clock. It's 4 o'clock. It's 5 o'clock. It's 6 o'clock. It's 7 o'clock. It's 8 o'clock. It's 9 o'clock. It's 10 o'clock. It's 11 o'clock. Well done. Let's continue with the minute hand. We're going to take the hour 3 and use it as an example. It's 3 o'clock. It's 5 past 3. It's 10 past 3. It's quarter past 3. It's 20 past 3. It's 25 past 3. It's half past 3. It's 25 to 4. It's 20 to 4. It's quarter to 4. It's 10 to 4. It's 5 to 4. Great. Now let's see one more time how the clock is divided. It's divided by o'clock, quarter, half. When it's between the minutes 1 to 30, we say past. When it's between the minutes 31 to 59, we say to. Excellent. Let's just see a few examples. It's 1 o'clock. It's 10 past 7. It's quarter past 9. It's 20 to 11. It's quarter to 5. Excellent. Now let's see how we can ask for the time. What time is it? It's 4 past 5. Excuse me, could you please tell me the time? Yes, it's 6 o'clock. Sally, have you got the time, please? Yes, it's 7:45. Well done. Let's repeat these examples one more time. What time is it? It's 4 past 5. Excuse me, could you please tell me the time? Yes, it's 6 o'clock. Sally, have you please got the time? Yes, it's 7:45. Great job. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. And don't forget to click on the link below for your exercises. Bye-bye.